So this is our skull crusher exercise here. We're keeping the elbow and the shoulder nicely stacked on top of each other, and we're curling the dumbbells down towards the ears. We're making sure the back stays flat into the floor, and we keep the dumbbells nicely tight into the body. We don't want the elbows flaring out to the sides at all, and we're thinking about extending the elbow, feeling this in the back of the arm to get a good pump into the tricep. So our third exercise for Joanne here is our tricep extension, or a skull crusher. Again, the triceps form a vital part of going overhead. There's what's going to help extend the elbow and keep the arm nice and straight. So if we have stiff, tight triceps and stiff, tight lats, the arms will not stay straight. Good job, Joanne. Our big focus here is making sure the wrist doesn't come too far inside the elbow. So especially on the left-hand side, just think about pushing that wrist out to the side a wee bit more. Yeah, that's better, Joanne. You'll feel much more triceps. Yeah, one more. Okay. Yeah, push out. Excellent job.